My students and I have been making thousands of dollars per month posting simple memes on Facebook. I know it sounds crazy, but there's tons of creators out here doing exactly that. And not even posting videos or reels, but text posts, photo posts, and memes. And the awesome thing is the opportunity beyond just getting paid by Facebook, because once you have the community, once you have the tuned in audience, then you can monetize a page in multiple ways. But Facebook has been paying out billions of dollars just in their content monetization program. And the best part is you don't even need a huge following in order to do this, because when you do it right, Facebook will actually push your posts out to non-followers. So here's a quick rundown of how the monetization program works. The more reach and the more engagement that you get on a post, the more Facebook is going to pay you. The most I've been paid for a single meme on Facebook is $500, and the most one of my students has been paid is $400. And now this does require posting multiple times per day, 6 to 10 or more posts per day. And that may sound like a lot, but in this video, I'm going to show you how we automate the entire process. We are leveraging an AI tool to help us research, create, and pre-schedule out posts so we're not sitting on social media all day. We can literally create hundreds of posts in just minutes. And my favorite way to do this is by utilizing a tool called Post Planner. And today I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of how this tool has helped me grow my page from 0 to over 370,000 followers and reach as many as 49 million views in a single month. Let's go. So first of all, if you don't have Post Planner yet, I'm going to link this directly below where you can get a 7-day free trial and 25% off when you use my code Angie25. So you can test that out and see if you like it. But this is the one tool that I use and 100% contribute to my success. So I know it's going to help you too. First thing I'm doing is looking for content that's already getting engagement in my niche. There is no sitting down every morning wondering what I should post, because I can create content streams around topics my audience already cares about. So I'm under this little content tab right here, and at the top we can type in a topic that we're looking to create content about, and it's going to pull up different streams. So for example, if you're doing a Christian page, then you would type in something like Christian news. It's going to pull up all of these different streams that you can search for content under. So let's click on this first one, and it's going to pull up tons of the best performing content in this niche. So for example, let's click on this one. So 10 months ago, this page called The Christian Post made this post about Justin Bieber declaring, "Jesus is the king of my heart." And as you can see, this has gotten 182,000 likes, 8,000 shares, 10,000 comments. So this is a proven to go viral post that we can model. And we can sort content by the past 24 hours, the last 1 to 3 days, the last 4 to 7 days, the last 30 days, last year, and I find some real gems in the last 3 years that a lot of people will never dig back that far to find, and they will still go viral today. And we can scroll through and continue finding more posts to take inspiration from for our very own page. And then once we find content that we would like to model, we can go straight to Create AI Content under the homepage, and then simply type in and describe exactly what we want for our image. So if we want to model this one, we literally describe it, but we're not going to make it exactly. So I need a photo of Justin Bieber sitting in a chair with a cross in the background, white bold text over the top that says, quote, "Jesus is the king of my heart, Justin Bieber." And then we're going to click generate. And then boom, it went ahead and created that image for us that is completely unique to our page. And then we simply hover over it and click create post, and then we can select all of our profiles that we want to publish to here, and this tool publishes to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all the places you can select all of your profiles. So we can write a caption here, and then we can add the post to our queue, and it's going to start filling up our schedule. Now I have other videos on how to create your schedule inside this tool and make sure that all of your socials are connected. So I'm going to link my previous video down below in the description. So if you haven't set your account up yet, be sure to watch that video first. So you have now seen how quick and easy it is to find proven content, to recreate it using the AI in literally seconds, and then schedule it out to every single social media platform that you're on in one click. You can also create buckets to organize your content. So whether you're doing inspirational content, sharing blog posts, doing holiday or seasonal content, or educational tips behind the scenes, whatever it is, you can organize all of your content into each of these, so then you can alternate what you're posting. And then this is one of my all-time favorite parts. Once you as a page have grown, you have your own proven content that you have created. Let's say, for example, that this is your feed right here from your own page, then you can repost that, and posts will continue to go viral again and again and again. Now listen clearly to what I'm saying. You don't want to take other people's posts and do this. You want to do this with your own posts. So let's say that these are your posts from your page that have already gone viral. This one has gotten 71,000 likes. This one's gotten 42,000 likes. This one's gotten 31,000. Once you have built up that bank of posts that have been proven to go viral, you can then reschedule it. So you can schedule, let's say, all of tomorrow's posts just with one click. So we could click here, we could click here, we could click here, and we could click here. And as you can see, what it's doing is loading up these 4 posts right there. You click create 4 posts. You're going to select the profile that you want to use. You can write each of the individual captions right here. You can even add the first comments if you want to add a call to action. For me, I like to link to blog posts that then go to affiliate offers. So you're not only just getting paid by Facebook, but you can also monetize it in additional ways with affiliate offers, digital products, all kinds of different offers linking in the comments. And then we simply add them to the queue. So you can see how quickly you can create new content, you can schedule out old content, and we're literally making hundreds of posts, an entire month's worth of posts in just a couple hours sitting. This tool literally has so many great features to simplify your Facebook monetization and growing your brand in the fastest way. So if you're not signed up, I highly encourage you to at least take the 7-day free trial today. Test it out. I know you're going to love it as much as I do. Be sure to comment down below. Let me know if you're using this, if you're finding success with it. And if you need more help, I would absolutely love to see you inside of my live mentorship group where we meet on Zoom twice per month. I answer questions every single day inside of our private Facebook group. There is such great energy in there. Lots of students finding massive amounts of success. I would love to include you in our community. So again, all of my best resources linked down below. Wishing you so much abundance. There's so much abundance out here, and it is more simple than you can ever imagine. So make it an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.